Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to show you guys my newest kitchen addition. This is the Vinchef non-stick anti-scratch series. This is 11 inches and 5 quarts capacity. Let's go ahead and unbox it together and see all the things that we have. So in here, I love the packaging. I love how very compact it is, okay, and I love how very secured everything is inside. When you take out the plastic cover, you see that the pot has the knob the other way around, and this is just to protect the pot during shipping. So the first thing you have to do is to unscrew it, which is very easy to do, and then screw it on the outside. I love that the knob of this pot is made with a wood grain Bakelite handle, which is very smooth and anti-scald. I also like the fact that the cover has a vent, and finally guys, I love the fact that this lid is silicone sealed. This will help to retain heat and ensure that your food is evenly cooked. Right here is the instruction on what you do before you start using the skillet, and this is just to ensure that it lasts longer. Finally, we have the Vinchef skillet itself, and this pan uses a German 3C and a ceramic reinforced coating technology, and it has excellent abrasion resistance, and it is extremely long lasting. The skillet is PFOA and APEO free, and that ensures food safety. I love the fact that this pot has two spouts, one on the left and one on the right, so whether you are right-handed or left-handed, you can easily pour out soups from the skillet without any difficulty at all. The skillet can go on an induction stove, electric stove, halogen stove, ceramic stove, or even firewood and charcoal stove, okay. And then over here is the handle, and this is the screw. It came with a spare screw, so we are going to attach the screw ourselves. And first of all guys, let's appreciate how this handle is. I love the feeling. It felt so smooth. I love that it is anti-scaled, meaning that even when you start cooking with the pot, this part will never get hot, okay. You can hold it anytime. That red silicone on the handle is a heat indicator. It changes to white when the pan is heated enough for you to start cooking with it. For instance, if you want to saute or fry with it, when you start heating the pan, that red will turn to white, and that tells you that this pot is heated enough for you to start cooking with it. To assemble the handle of the pot, all you need is a screwdriver. Just put the screw and tighten it, and that is it. I love the fact that it is very easy to assemble and disassemble. The 11-inch big capacity enables you to saute, to steam, boil, shallow fry, deep fry for the whole family. This pan also comes in various sizes. If you are looking for a very high quality and very safe pan to use or to give someone, make sure you check out this brand. I'll insert the link to this pot in the comment section, and I'll also put a discount code. If you're interested, please check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.